Good morning viewers. Welcome to my channel. Today I have come to show you some miscellaneous types of worksheets. In my previous videos I have shown you how to count and write each of the numbers from 1 to 10 separately. I have shown you how to do backward counting, how to fill in the missing numbers. I have shown you to find out the biggest number, smallest number and so on. Today I am going to show you a different thing. So let's start. Come to the first worksheet of today's video. Look here, I have prepared this worksheet which will enhance the concentration of your kids. So here just see two almost similar pictures are drawn. The child needs to study both the pictures at a time very well and he needs to identify what are the slightest differences are there. So let's start. In the picture above, we can see the sun is present in the left hand side corner, whereas in the picture below we can see the sun present at the right hand side corner. Again we can see in the first picture the bird is facing the right hand side, whereas in the picture below the bird is facing the left hand side. Again in the picture above there are two trees beside the house, whereas in the picture below there is only one tree present. We can see a rabbit is present in both the pictures beside the house. The difference is, in the first picture both the ears of the rabbit are in the similar position and it has no tail, whereas in the picture below the ear of the rabbit, one of the ear of the rabbit is just turning down and it has a tail also. Now consider the house. In this picture the chimney is placed at the right hand side, whereas in this picture below the chimney is placed in the left hand side. Again see, this house at the above has two windows, whereas the house at the below is having only one window. Now consider the door of the house. The door of the house in the first picture is different than the door of the house in the second picture. The path coming from the house is also different than the path coming out from the house in the second picture. So you can see that I have found out here 8 differences in these two pictures. So you can prepare this type of worksheets very easily at home containing some differences, and if you give your kid this type of worksheets to practice at home, then it will enhance his concentration and he will be able to find it out very fast. Next, come to the second worksheet of today's video. Here you can see I have drawn a number of circles having different patterns. There are 4 circles in the left hand side having a particular type of pattern, while the right hand side contains the same number of circles, that is 4 circles are present with the same patterns but in a haphazard position. Here the question is asked to match the pattern. Here the child needs to follow the pattern first. He needs to study the pattern and then he will be able to match the pattern. So first consider this picture, the picture at the first circle. So I will try to match it with these at the right hand side. Yeah, here the number 3 circle of the right hand side matches with the first circle of the left hand side. So I am matching it in this way. Now come to the second circle of left hand side. Yeah, it matches with the circle at the first in the right hand side. Next come to the third circle. Yes, it is matches with the second circle. Next come to the last circle. it matches with the circle which is just beside it. So I hope you can follow this. Prepare this type of boxes very easily at home and give your child to do, and he will be able to do it very fast. So thank you for watching my channel. Next day again I will come with some different videos. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Goodbye.